Over the last few years, there's been a huge growth in some YouTube channels. YouTubers getting really famous for whatever it is they do. And this fellow, MKBHD, well, he reviews stuff, and he's really famous, and he's got a curious logo. I want to draw that logo today. It's kind of like a window flapping the other way inside of a frame. Well, you probably could use a ruler for this, so grab your red pencil and your black pencils, and let's do it! You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.